Hey, welcome to RC3D. I'm Ryan. In this video I had a mad idea to build a life-size Rocket Raccoon from Guardians of the Galaxy. I was thinking about Groot, but I thought that's gonna take me months. He's big, you know. I'm not quite sure how tall he is. Rocket is about 3'1". I sliced him up into lots and lots of chunks. He's quite big, but as you can see, scale next to me, yeah, he's about right. I've got boxes of chunks, like, what piece is that? It's his shoulder piece. You know, it's all on there. I've got a bit of his backpack here, his jet booster. You can see that. I know there might be one or two issues on some of these that I'll have to fix, but that's not a problem. We'll do that together. So I'll stop running on and we'll get started.
Sometimes like all you want to do is
So earlier in the video I airbrushed his face before I started putting the fur on. That was because I wanted to see what he'd look like without the fur. I was just going to go in with a whole airbrushing of the whole thing, just keeping him plain old plastic 3D printed. But I decided that I didn't like it as much. I didn't like the way the fur looks on the 3D model. You know, it's kind of like spiky. I think this looks a lot better. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. He's not quite finished yet. I may do some tweaking. I'm not massively sort of keen on his eyes. I think they need to be a bit bigger. But all feedback is welcome, so drop that down there in the comments. So I have got a few more ideas what I want to do with him. This isn't just going to be it. There's a lot more to go forward. I have just finished modelling and printing this little guy. It's going to go with him. Now I'm actually supporting him with one hand. Hang on. So I've modelled this guy. He's got one arm, look, because he's going to sit on Rocket's shoulder like that. And yeah, so hopefully you can see him okay on there. But possibly be doing this guy in part 2. He's towards the end. You may have noticed in the video as well. Hold on. Oh. You might have noticed in the video as well that Rocket's missing his hands. If you didn't notice that, I'll show you. Oh, there you go. Missing his hands. I do have his hands modelled and ready to go on, but I'll be doing these. There you go. I'll be doing them last because I want to do some detailing on his guns. So it just seems to put them on last, stick them on last, do the fur over the wrists, and happy days. As well as his tail. His tail will probably be the final touch that I put on him, because at the minute, sorry my mate, the final touch on him will be his tail, but at the minute it just gets in the way. This is his tail. But yeah, the plan is he's going to be all fur, and then I've got some ideas with the body armour. I'm not going to be leaving it like this. I just don't think, I think fur, plastic, it's just, I need to go all the way. But yeah, so if you like the video, blast that like button, subscribe to stay up to date, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.